1491, 9:30 on-time service to Las Vegas. Southwest is paying you Noreen, Washington. Noreen, Washington, you needed aboard your aircraft, gate number 10.
Here we go.
Sir, can I help you?
You got a cup of coffee?
Why are you filming checkpoint?
Because I can. I don't answer questions, ma'am. I'm working on a story. Uh-oh. It's a little upset. Calling the cops, looks like. Oh well. There's a fire starter right there, having a fit. Oh well.
Attention in the terminal, Timothy Sled, please return to your baggage by Starbucks first floor. Timothy Sled, please return to your baggage in the Starbucks lobby on the first floor.
Yeah, so I mean, it's nice to probably helping out mainline and stuff.
To me, this is a huge waste. I remember when you could smoke on an airplane, but I'm old. That's back when they had to wind the rubber band up.
Please report any suspicious activity or unattended baggage to law enforcement.
Por favor, reporte a las autoridades cualquier actividad sospechosa o equipaje sin supervisión.
Veuillez signaler toute activité suspecte ou tout bagage laissé sans surveillance au service de sécurité.
I wonder where our fire starter went to. We got all in a tizzy there. Just went and got back up, I guess. Alright, changed her mind. Here's your city officials.
Hi, I'm Little Rock Mayor Frank Scotch, and I want to welcome you to Little Rock and Bill and Hillary Clinton National Airport. Little Rock is Arkansas state capital and center of commerce, finance, and healthcare for the region. While you're here, we hope you take advantage of everything our city has to offer. like great restaurants.
Wow, you're
world-class
photogenic.
museums,
You're beautiful, young lady. You're a queen. You should smile.
Enjoy your time.
You got a great
and
smile.
we hope to see you again soon.
Okay, I guess that's good enough. It doesn't look like anything's gonna happen, so. Thank you for being so pleasant. I'm JC News Now. I'm a civil rights activist, and I focus on police accountability. I started after George Floyd and Breonna Taylor. That's what I do. Make sure they act right. So anyway, it'll be on JC News Now on YouTube if you want to see it. Have a good day. Thank you. There's your fire starter right there. Got it all in a tizzy.
Then I walk up to your table and I'm sitting there. We're just heading down here to gate 10.
This young lady is very pleasant and sweet. This is information, if you have information. Oops, sorry. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. This is your information desk if you need information about anything. And the bar's still closed. I don't drink anyway, so. I guess maybe they called the popo, which they're all standing right downstairs, and the popo said, "Are you not doing anything wrong?" Well, let's hope that's what happened. Oh, there goes the police right there. Wonder where they're going. Maybe we should walk back down here. Sorry. I don't care what you want, ma'am. I'll go right up to the line. Secured area is beyond TSA. I've read the rules. TSA starts right there. There's the checkpoint. I'm going to film TSA, as is my First Amendment right.
Sir, I'm going to ask you to leave. You don't have a ticket. There's no reason for you to be
This
here.
is
And
public
TSA
property,
does not want
ma'am.
you to be
It's
recorded.
run by the Municipal Commission. That means it's public. Please don't surround me.
We're not surrounding you, but I've asked you to leave.
I'm sorry, you can't trespass me minus a crime, ma'am. It's public property. Do you understand that?
I do understand that.
Okay.
I do understand that. I also understand that TSA has requested for you not to be in this area to film.
I'll stand right up to it.
Right here. You're not supposed to be up here. You're not.
Where's the secure desk? There's where it's secure, ma'am. This is open to the public.
I understand.
I'm
that.
going to be here for a little while. I'm working on a story, as is my First Amendment right. And you called that. I am an auditor.
Go past. If you want to do it, just see that line right there. Start right there. You can do all the filming.
What's your name and badge number, Davis? What's your name and badge?
Yeah, you said Davis right there.
Okay, what's your badge number? Please don't approach me.
17670. I just want you to go over there. Just
Well,
right there.
I know what you want, but I'm going to exercise my right to stand right.
Well, no, you don't have a right to do that. See
I
that
don't.
line right there? No, you don't.
What's your badge?
Right here. I just gave it to you. 17670.
Thank you. What's yours?
Go to the 3153.
All right. What's yours?
849.
All right. Are you asking or are you giving me a... Are you asking or are you giving me a lawful order?
Lawful order. Come on.
What law backs that?
Come on.
This is your
What
line
law
right here.
backs that?
I'm not going to keep talking to you about this.
What are you going to do? Will you arrest me if I don't?
They've already told you to come over here.
Will you arrest me if I don't?
They've already told you to come over here.
Say the magic word and I'll leave.
Oh, don't do it. Don't give into this. Hey,
Come on.
I'll put my name on your pension, sir, for as long as I can.
What'd you just say?
I will put my
So
name on...
that's attempt to influence the public
No,
service?
sir.
That's
No,
what it is right there.
No, it is not.
Yeah, you did. You just
No,
did
it is
that.
not.
All right, I'm going to ask you one more time. Go past
Are
the
you
line
asking
right
or ordering me?
there. I'm going to ask you to go past the line right there.
Will I be arrested if I don't?
Are you going or not?
Will I be arrested if I don't? I'll go if you tell me. Under threat of arrest, I'll go. No problem.
It's not gonna, I'm not going to tell you. I'm asking you right now.
You're asking.
Okay, all right. And now you back.
I told you I would go. Go and borrow your face.
No, I asked you to go several times. You didn't want to go.
I won't resist.
Attempt to influence public servant as well.
No, sir, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, sir, I said if
You
you
said you're
got...
going to get my pension. Yes, you
No,
did.
I
Attempt
said,
to influence right there.
if
That's
you
it right
violate
there.
my rights, I will put my
That's
name
it right there.
on
Let's go right there. Call for your hand. So when you have to decide I want to be or not.
Paul 40 on 8. Thank you. Paul 40. You start us transport in the Morton Airport Road.
No, go ahead and create one for an arrest. Think about what at all before I go in there.
You don't have the body cam?
So what?
We're not going to ban him right now, but y'all do what y'all need to do.
Oh.
Do what?
You have your ID and stuff on your wallet?
Yes, sir.
Don't forget.